Okay, here we go.
Here we go, okay.
We'll give him his orders on Monroe, Virginia. Say, Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, it's old 97. With butter and a Spencer on time. So he turned round and said to his tight prison fireman, shovel on a little more coal. And when we cross old Wild Oak Mountain, you watch old 97 roll. It's a mighty rough road from Lynchburg to Danville in a line on a 3-mile grade. It was on that grade that he lost his air brakes. You see what a jump he made. He was going down grade, making 90 miles an hour. His whistle broke into a scream. They found him in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and scalded to death by the steam. A telegram came to Washington City, and this is how it read. That brave engineer who drove on 97 is lying down in Danville dead. Now all you ladies from me take a warning from this time on and learn. Never speak harsh words to your true love and husband. He may leave you and never return. He may leave you and never return. Thank you.
Thank you all very much.
Sagebrush String Band, thank you very much for coming.
Sagebrush String Band, drive safe on the way home, and happy June.
Next Sunday at the Bar and Bistro in the Arts Factory on Main in Charleston. We'll be there from 12 to 3. Hope to see you there.
Come see us.
Thank you. I think they have like unlimited Bloody Marys for $12.
I'll be there.